Hey, I'm Christy Gashevitz with OSAAP, and we're here today at the Assembly South show in Nashville, Tennessee. We've been helping customers all day find tool control solutions. So what we have here is we have our closed cell foam. What makes this really unique is because it's a closed cell foam, it does not absorb water. And if you happen to get it dirty, you can clean it with acetone and it won't have any type of chemical reaction or break down the foam.
What is this? What makes it different?
Yeah, so what makes this unique is we came out with an acrylic top to be able to protect the foam a little longer and kind of make it pop a little bit more. You can have different color combinations to match your tool control needs.
Do you offer ESD foam?
We do offer ESD foam, so right with electrostatic, it can cause a lot of issues, especially with a foam board like this. We have a very unique product here that's ESD safe. We also carry an ESD plastic as well in case you're in a clean room that has electrostatic in there.
What is this?
What is this? So this is our plastic boards for clean rooms. And what we have here is we have one of our acrylic tags, so customers can label it by specific part numbers. They can put their logo on it. Or they even can put a little slot in there for chit slots to be able to have better tool control and know who rented out that tool.
This ad here, is this your mobile app?
Yeah, so our mobile app, something that is we're very unique on our niche with it. You can download it from Apple, Google Play, and what it does for you is you can take photos of all the tools. You can take a picture of your layout so we can match all of your requirements, and we're able to print the boards pretty quickly with it. The designs take about 48 hours once we take photos of all the tools. We're able to get you a PO that same day that the designs are done. And then as far as ordering goes, it takes about 3 to 4 weeks to get to your dock. But we can expedite it for a fee to get it to you in 1 to 2 weeks.
Do I have to design the boards myself?
No, we offer free design work. We're one of the only companies that does that. We have a design team based out of Chelmsford that's able to go in and look at your photos and see that layout that you desire, and they're going to go ahead and match that for you.
Awesome.